Hi guys, it's Michelle from BeadNWire Beading. I wanted to come on and give you guys a quick tutorial on what I've been working on with the aluminum flower beads that I got from BB Craft. You need to head over to bbcraft.com. Right now they are having free shipping for orders over $25 in US. And who doesn't love free shipping? That means we can order more jewelry supplies, right? So I went ahead and made a couple different pairs of earrings with these aluminum flower beads. These are like 17 millimeter, and if you recall in my previous video, I got a whole bag of these. There's like 100 of them, all different colors, and the colors are just so vibrant and beautiful. So I picked a color scheme and I thought, what am I going to do with these? So I know 4th of July is just around the corner, so I kind of made these little earrings, and they are just made out of the red, white, and blue, red, silver, and blue aluminum flower beads, and I just made a loop in the back and I just hung them on these chandelier type earrings. So I thought that was cute, just something to wear festive for the 4th of July. And they were really quick. Once you get your idea, you could just bang these out really quick. So that's my patriotic contribution for right now. So I had some beads on hand. These are the Jesse James beads, designed by me, and these are the packs that you can get at some Walmarts. So I had these beads and I hadn't used them, and there's so many cool pieces in here. And my brain started working and I decided to make something with the bronze colored flowers. I think these are really, really pretty. And this is what I came up with. So this part here, I got out of this bead set. And there are other choices in here as well, but I thought this one matched pretty well. And then also on the previous video, when I unboxed everything that I ordered from BB Craft, I showed you guys these little 4mm tiger eye beads. So we're going to use them on the earrings as well. So for this project, you're just going to need your choice of a couple small beads, a focal piece. It's up to you what style you like, how big or how small you like it. You'll need some sort of ear wires, and we have some antiqued head pins, and I just chose this color because it matches the theme that we're going for here. And then as far as the tools go, I have a set of round nose pliers. I have just a pair of chain nose pliers. These are like the tweezer pliers. I like these because they can get into tight spaces. And a pair of flush cutters. And I have an extra set of pliers just in case I need it. These are bent nose pliers, and they're kind of small as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already kind of put most of the other earring together, but I wanted to show you guys on camera how I did that. So you'll just take your head pin and you'll go ahead and add a bead at the bottom, just like that. And then just for camera purposes, since I've already put my beads on there, I'm going to just choose this bead out of the pack, and we'll just kind of play with this one. So then you're going to add your main focal bead, and whatever that choice is, all up to you. And there's so many colors in these flowers that you can make any color combination that you want. but I just really like the bronze colored flowers. I don't know why, but anyway, you'll do that, and then you can put your other small bead on top of that. And this is where you're going to make your loop. So I like to trim this off a little bit. I usually try to measure at least the width of my finger here, and it's pretty darn close. I make sure all my beads are at the bottom, and I'll just hold it here. I kind of press the bottom of the head pin on my other finger here and push all my beads down and make sure they're all nice and snug. And then I take my flush cutters and I'm just going to take off a little bit of this one and point it downwards or somewhere where it doesn't poke you. And then you can go ahead and bend your wire. You want to bend it away from you if you choose. Some people bend it towards you. It's all up to you. And then we're going to start our wrap. This still looks a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit more off. I don't want to go too short because it's kind of hard to do the bending with it, but anyway. So then you're going to go ahead and start doing your loop, and you want to place your pliers all the way to the end, and you're going to start rolling the pliers towards you. Until you have your circle. It's not perfect, but what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my earring wire to the bead, to my head pin. So this is the matching one that I had done, so we'll go ahead and loop that in, and then we'll just close up the loop. And sometimes it can twist on you, so you want to make sure you have a nice handle on it. And just make your loop. Make sure it's closed. And if you need to, you can tighten it up a little bit. Okay, so that's that part. So next we're going to go ahead and play with our little aluminum flower. I have the flower threaded onto a head pin, and with these flowers you probably want to stick with the, not the head pin, I'm sorry, yes, I'm sorry, it is a head pin. It's getting late here. It's an eye pin. You want to have an eye pin because it could slide through the hole at the bottom. And these little aluminum flowers, they can be adjusted, so you can move these little petals around if you end up squishing it while you're working with it. So that's very forgiving, so I like that option. So then you're left with this large, the rest of your head pin. So the same thing, I want to cut it down to size. We're going to take our flush cutters and go ahead and cut off quite a bit of this. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and I don't want to lose my little piece of pin because it will slip back out of the hole. And I'm going to go ahead and bend this away from me, and I'm going to hold on to that so I don't lose it and trim this a little bit more. Probably right there. It takes practice, a lot of practice really, to find out how short you need to cut these. As you can see, it's better to leave it longer than shorter because you would have to pretty much start over. So you kind of just practice, and then you'll get better at it after you practice. So what I'm going to do, I have a hard time doing a loop with these when they're so short. So I'm going to hold my eye pin with a pair of these pliers, and then I'm just going to do my wrapped or my loop around while I'm holding. So we'll just do the loop. Ah. And I want to kind of leave it a little open so I can attach it to the bottom of my earring. Oop, I went ahead and closed it. It's just habit. You just go ahead and close them. So we'll keep that open, and then I'm going to go to the bottom of my earring piece and attach it. See, I don't want to lose that thing. I'll go ahead and attach it to the bottom, and then you'll go ahead and close it up. Hope you guys can see this. And we'll go ahead and finish rolling that around. Make sure it's nice and tight so that way it doesn't fall off. Close your eye on your pin. And there you have it. Now these earrings, they will turn. I didn't make them so that they stay stationary. They will turn. So I think that's a cute way of wearing these, just so they'll turn around. Oops, and see, we lost our little flower. Because my head pin wasn't closed all the way. See, we all cannot be perfect, right? When you think it's done and closed, you find out otherwise. Ay, ay, ay. So while I'm doing this, guys, I want to remind you, I'm still doing the giveaway. We haven't quite gotten my goal of subscribers yet. My goal was 250 subscribers, and I think I'm barely getting to 100. So if you guys can share this with your friends, subscribe, click the bell icon so you'll know when I have a new video up. And please enjoy watching. I hope you guys learn a little bit from me. I'm not perfect. I am not a professional jewelry maker by any means. I do the best I can, and I learn sometimes as I go, just like a lot of us do. But it's so fun, and it's so satisfying when you finish a project and then you look back at it and you feel very accomplished, very, very happy about it. So here are the earrings, all completed. And I just think these bronze flowers, like I said, are just so cute. Hope you guys can see those. So like I said, you can use any type of focal bead in the middle, big or small. So this one was a little bit smaller. I could have used that one as well. And you know, you still can. I might go back and make another pair. So here's the earrings. And that is from bbcraft.com. And they have free shipping over $25 for US only right now. So you guys really should head over and fill up your cart with all your goodies and get that ordered. And then here's the other pair of earrings. The red, white, and blue theme for the 4th of July. And those were simple, just with the loops and attaching those to a chandelier connector and adding your ear wire to the end. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys have any comments, please leave them below. Head over to bbcraft.com. You're going to love all the choices that you have with jewelry making supplies. They have also sales periodically. You can get some really good deals. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. That way we can do our giveaway. I want to show you real quick the item that you're going to win in the giveaway is this beautiful bag charm. And it is lavender and pinks and purples, and it's all made out of glass beads. There's a few acrylic beads in there, but I thought this was a really good giveaway. I haven't added anything lately since I've spoken to you guys last, but you never know. So you can be the proud owner of this handmade purse charm, chunky charm, if you are chosen in the drawing. It's going to be drawn on June 30th, and we'll do a random draw with all the subscribers' names. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and that way we can hopefully get you drawn for the prize. So once again, guys, thanks again for watching, and don't forget, check out BB Craft. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.